come spend the morning with us today. First stop to the library. But first, let me show you. It's raining. And this is a lot for us. Let me show you. We get to enjoy a rainy day today. Do you guys know what book you guys are going to be getting?
Wimpy Kid. Who said that?
Bluey? Okay, let's see what we find. Chanel. She's protecting her eyelashes. These benches are so cute. This section for kids is so cute. And Chanel picked out.
The Diary of the Wimpy Kid, No Brainer.
Okay.
And then I read this one's like an actual chapter.
The way are, let me see.
It's just the way our creatures.
Oh.
Mama, can you help me here? Why is there a hat?
One is the train.
Do, do, do. Do, do, do.
Let it go, let it go.
But we
And that one's theirs. Which one's the winner, guys? Beautiful, it looks gloomy. Orange chicken and noodles. And combination fried rice. We're taking a trip to Target. I actually, I'm returning the table that I got last time.
it looks like morning.
Yeah.
Since they want me to.